We're going to the top of Dork Mountain and
Wolf Rock.
We're going back to Wolf Rock.
Yep, this is the last part, I think, right?
Adventure Grom! So there it is. There's Wolf Rock. Look at that. Look at it. That's unbelievable. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dork Side. I'm the Dork on the road. This is Lil Dork, and we are out on the Adventure Grom on the DRZ125, and today we're going to the top of Dork Mountain and
Wolf Rock.
We're going back to Wolf Rock. That's right, everyone. I'm the Dork on the road, and I want to be your internet riding buddy. She wants to be your Lil internet riding buddy, so please consider subscribing. So we have been to Wolf Rock together before. I think the last time we went, this one was about this tall, riding her CRF 110. We had some trouble getting there last time. Got lost, took some wrong turns. It was a fun adventure, and there's a video of that which I'll link for you if you want to check out our first journey to Wolf Rock. But today, we're going to go back to Wolf Rock. I've now said Wolf Rock
Like 72 times.
Wolf Rock, Wolf Rock, Wolf Rock, Wolf Rock. And along the way, we're going to stop at one of our favorite scenic spots, which we call Dork Mountain. It's actually called Twin Buttes, I think. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. We're going to crush it. All right, let's roll. Can we look right here real fast? I've never seen if this is a good spot or anything.
Yeah.
Definitely like a little jump right here. Whoa!
You got some air on that one.
Not a bad view, right? A little bit of shade. So if I was looking for a spot someday, this might be okay. Oh, you look good right there. What a good shot. All right, we're climbing up the Dork Mountain. Adventure Grom on top Dork Mountain. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing. This is one of my favorite spots. Three Sisters, Mount Washington. It's Broken Top, Jefferson. It's gorgeous up here. All right, y'all. That was cool here, but now we're headed to Wolf Rock. Let's go see that baby. That's some rocky garbage that I didn't really notice on the way up. Fun. It's pretty steep right here. It's not really coming across. I'm sure you guys were like, this is pretty steep. This is the steepest part though. The rest is kind of cake. I did not notice it being this steep coming up. I was pretty focused.
Yeah, we both were.
Yeah. Oh yeah, gorgeous. I mean, don't crash, but...
Yeah, that is a deep hole.
It is not small. Wow, it's like someone dug it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I think I know what road it is. Interesting, it's one I've always wondered where it went. I think we're turning right up here.
Okay.
Which is cool because there's a neat view. It's beautiful, but maybe don't go off the edge.
Lots of rocks on this road.
Yeah, it is. Interesting. That does not rock.
I might have to make an inquiry about this.
Well, just don't take it for granted. You know, if you hurt yourself, you could sue someone and get a sediment.
Yeah. But I'm trying to think of a funny rock slide. I boulder not try, I might lose.
Are you just too scared, or are you going to be a little bolder? Oh wow, that is neat. Makes the road a little narrow.
Yeah.
Beauty. Bro, we are so close.
So close?
So close. 23 miles in.
Whoa.
But we had like a mile and a half detour. There it is. There's Wolf Rock.
Whoa!
We haven't seen this side of it because we came in from the other side last time.
Yeah.
Amazing. Let's get closer. Hard to miss.
Yeah.
1,000 feet high. Oh my God, it's right there, kid. Wow.
Whoa!
Look at that. Look at it.
Whee!
I mean, and it just doesn't do it justice. Like, that is 1,000 feet high. Like, that archway is a few hundred feet. Oh, it's ridiculous. I mean, look at, here's the ground. That's Wolf Rock. You want to just go up to that viewpoint that we know where it is?
What about this road?
This is the road.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn, dude. Can you even believe it?
Crazy.
Wow, you guys. I mean, look, there's full-size trees growing on top of this damn thing.
That's crazy.
It's insane. Cool, man. That's Wolf Rock. We made it. That road sure looks promising. I really want to go up and around this corner.
Okay.
Might be a good place to fly the drone from, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is an interesting road. When in doubt, always go up, you know? Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, the view. Yeah, okay. This was worth it. Holy crap. We almost didn't come up here. There's a campsite right here, too. Oh, my goodness. I mean, there's no shade, but... Damn. This is our freaking picture spot, dude. I gotta get a picture of that.
There's Fowlers.
That's amazing. Look at that. Picked up some hitchhikers.
Yeah.
That's unbelievable. So look at this view, everyone. So Three Sisters is right there. Kind of obscured by the trees, but this rock, astounding. Okay, well, we're gonna hop back on the bikes and ride out of here, but this thing, I mean, and GoPro never does anything justice, but this thing is massive. It's stunning. It's so far away and so big that the air is like cloudy between it and us. Like the visibility is not perfect. It's massive and stunning, and it's just sitting out here in the middle of nowhere. And if you never ventured the 20 miles off the highway, you'd never know it was here. So I love coming here. It always reminds me of great things that lie off the beaten path. What do you think, Lil?
It's really pretty, and it's just so cool how this giant rock thing is here.
Well, thank you for coming with me. High five for making it back to Wolf Rock. Much easier ride this time, better bike. And now we're gonna do the 30 miles back to the truck. It's actually so big, it's kind of a pain in the ass to get drone footage of, because it's pretty hard to get it up high enough where the drone camera can see it, because the drone camera doesn't point up, it only points down. And it's not used to, you know, filming things up taller and bigger than it is up high. So that's the highest I've ever flown my drone, and the only time I've ever had to use the map to bring it back because I didn't know where it was. That was a fun day of riding on the 125s. Got up to Dork Mountain, got to see Wolf Rock again, found a couple cool campsites. Pretty stoked. How did you feel, kid?
It was fun. It was good. It wasn't too stressful.
Yeah, no crashes, only a couple kills, and she's getting better at kickstarting. Actually, I didn't kickstart her bike one time today. That's the first time we've done that, so high five to that. Impressive. Any final thoughts or feelings you want to share?
For me, at least, go try something new. Go, like, if you did something before and it was hard, go do it again. See if it's hard again. Keep
trying until you get it. Yep. And I just want to say, this Adventure Grom just keeps proving that you can have a big adventure on a little bike. You don't need a big bike to have a big adventure. We got to the biggest piece of rock in the state of Oregon on the smallest bike that I own or have ever ridden off-road. So loving the Adventure Grom. She just keeps surprising you at every turn. Got some great footage today. Really enjoyed the ride. Great riding with you. And it's so cool. It's so cool to watch your progress. You're much more confident. We're getting a lot more faster on these gravel roads and getting to see cool stuff together and making memories.
Yeah.
And that's fun, throwing our helmets on the ground. So
Yeah.
I appreciate you guys watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And for me and for Lil Dork, I just want to say, please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you. Double thank you. Double Dork thank you. What up?